तारीख़ में हमें एक पैटर्न देखने को मिलता है। जब भी कोई बड़ी रियासत कमज़ोर होती है तो वो कई छोटी छोटी रियासतों में बिखर जाती है। ऐसा ही हुआ था 1565 के बैटल ऑफ तालीकोटा के बाद विजयनगर एम्पायर के साथ, जो कि कई नायक रियासतों में बिखर चुकी थी। तो उनमें से एक थे मदुरई के नायक, और आज मैं उन्हीं के किले को विज़िट करने जा रहा हूँ, जो कि तमिलनाडु के डिंडिकल शहर में लोकेटेड है। So after a long and hectic process of validation and all that, man, it's just a rock fort. They signed an undertaking from me to take a camera, and then I had to pay for that undertaking separately, and then I had to download the ticket from ASI. Oh, this seems humongous structure. It has to be done. Let's see कहाँ तक चढ़ पाता हूँ मैं। लग तो नहीं रहा है ज़्यादा देर जाऊँगा, but and make people familiar.
Ask you to come on there. So before that,
the walls again have been damaged by the teenagers. They have scribed their name and their stories. I just wanted to recall it again that, oh, DXB Playboy, that's great, man. I appreciate your effort to come to this fort, to take so much steps and to come to this place and say that you are a playboy. Good. Respect for you guys. Shit! Still a lot of distance to go. यह जगह चोला, चेरा, पांड्या जैसे कदीम रियासतों की सरहद मानी जाती थी। फिर 1605 में मदुरई वंश के नायक मुत्थु कृष्णप्पा ने इस जगह पर एक किले का निर्माण करवाया। फिर वक्त के साथ ये किला हैदर अली और टीपू सुल्तान के कब्ज़े में आया, जिन्होंने इसको एक स्ट्रेटजिक लोकेशन के तौर पर डेवलप किया। यह किला टीपू के लिए बहुत अहम था, क्योंकि यहाँ से पूरे मदुरई और त्रिची क्षेत्र पर नज़र रखी जा सकती थी। टीपू ने यहाँ तोपें और गोला बारूद रखने के लिए बहुत सारे मजबूत कमरे बनवाए। (1792) में होती है तीसरी एंग्लो मैसूर वॉर, जिसमें ब्रिटिश हुकूमत, निज़ाम ऑफ हैदराबाद और मराठाओं की एक ट्राईपार्टाइट अलायंस ने टीपू सुल्तान की फ़ौज को मात दी, और फिर साइन होता है द ट्रीटी ऑफ श्रीरंगपट्टनम, जिसके तहत ये जगह टीपू सुल्तान के हाथों से निकल करके अंग्रेज़ों के पास चली जाती है। और इस तरीके से मदुरई क्षेत्र में ये जगह अंग्रेज़ों की पहली मिलिट्री बेस के तौर पे उभरती है। सो दिस इज़ द फोर्ट दैट आई वांटेड टू कवर इन डिंडीगुल। Amazing fortification has been done. All of this structure is placed on a huge mountain, so it gets a natural safety from all sides automatically. I think it's very tiresome to climb these stairs that has been carved on the stone, but I don't know how the people who are actually living here used to do that. Okay, let's reach to the top. इस किले की ख़ास बात इसकी आर्किटेक्चर और इंजीनियरिंग है। यह किला पूरी तरीके से एक विशाल ग्रेनाइट की चट्टान पर बनाया गया है, लगभग 280 फीट की ऊंची पहाड़ी पर। किले के चारों ओर डबल फोर्टिफिकेशन वॉल है। इससे दुश्मनों के लिए अंदर घुसना बेहद मुश्किल हो जाता है। दीवारों पर तोपें तैनात थीं और ऊंचाई से पूरे शहर और आसपास के मैदानों पर नज़र रखी जाती थी। यहाँ लगभग 48 कमरे बनाए गए हैं। इनमें से कुछ सैनिकों के रहने के लिए, कुछ हथियार और बारूद रखने के लिए, और कुछ कैद खाने के रूप में इस्तेमाल होते थे। सबसे दिलचस्प बात है यहाँ की वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग सिस्टम। किले के अंदर बड़े बड़े तालाब और नालियाँ बनाई गई जो बारिश का पानी इकट्ठा करती थी। इससे घेराबंदी की स्थिति में भी सैनिक कई महीनों तक टिक सकते थे। आज भी इन तालाबों और पानी की व्यवस्था के अवशेष मौजूद हैं।
You see on the border that I showed you in the first, that is a huge greenery that is in continuous to that place. And there is again a ruined structure, maybe a granary or a stable or just to put weapons. At the top there is a temple, so still few more steps to go. It would have been a really wonderful experience to visit this place during those times. Obviously people used to come here, right? And from this point you just see the city. It's like dots painted in various colors, yellow, blue, pink, white, orange, all these tiny dots. And beyond that there is a majestic mountains that has been covered from all surround. Oh my god, over the horizon you can see the mountains, and it's like totally covered in every side, from every side. Oh, really man, it would have been something to see. It would really have been something to experience. Should move on. Oh, so
आज जब आप किले पर
this is
चढ़ते
the
हैं
point
और
from
ऊपर
where
से
they
पूरा
used to
टिंडल
guard this
शहर
whole
देखते हैं
structure.
तो लगता है मानो ये पत्थर अभी उन
See,
युद्धों,
it's on a
रणनीतियों और
extremely
इबादतों
high
की
point,
कहानियां गुनगुना रहे हैं।
and from here you can see the all the surrounding areas from where the enemy can attack. See, it's like whole globe is appearing from here, man. That's a huge structure, and this is the thing from which they used to control it, right? You see, from there they would hit a huge cannon of iron, black powder, gunpowder, and it would fire. It goes to that much. It's like really, man, it's a huge thing. How they used to load it, I don't know. Like take it out and again put the gunpowder and then put the cannonball and then put it in that structure. I don't know whether it is, the structure is how much. It might have been, oh man, it's not possible with me to lift it even if I use all of my force. It's that much tiny structure, and I think it's a few tons. Great, man. तो यहाँ से हर वो चीज़ दिखती है जो आपको देखना चाहिए, जो एक बतौर एक राजा को नज़र रखनी चाहिए अपने चारों तरफ. सो या क्वाइट एन इम्प्रेसिव स्ट्रक्चर. There is a person, you see, under the shade of the tree. He was talking to me a lot of things. I don't know whether it was English or not, but according to him it was English only. He was trying to speak in English and trying to tell me why this YouTube culture is not good enough. And I don't know what he was saying, man. He was trying, I just know this, that he was trying to say something. So should I try it again, guys? Oh my god, let me put some light here now. Oh my god, I am just able to move it a little bit, roll it. I did it for you guys.
not able to move, only a little bit wiggling, that's it. It's a huge man. I know only one person who can move this balloon, that's it. See, if you don't do this, then also it is possible that your love is strong. It depends on your character and depends on your promise and values and how much effort you put. Okay, it's not that you write the name on a wall that cannot be removed, so that is not going to suggest that, or that is not going to tell about anything about your relationship. Okay, it's nothing but a structure ruined. So please don't do this. Well, what do you guys think about this? What it would have been? I'm not sure, man. But obviously it is something. Might be a prison. Yeah, they used to keep the prisons also, no? So that in order to capture the captives, they would place them there. It would have been a kind of cellular jail. Structure is quite rocky here. Obviously, it's on the rocks. Oh, see the side, a beautiful lake. So locals coming here just to chill out with their loved ones, with their friends, family, everyone. See this amazing structure from here. The lake is quite awesome. Okay. Huh. So it's all about Rock Fort Dindigul. I should not go to the top. It would be not worth it, I don't think so. Structures are there, stairs have been made, but let's do it, man. Anyway, a little bit hectic, but let's. So this is the temple. So this is the temple that is located at the top of this fort, but unfortunately it's been closed, so there is no gateway to go into. But you can see good amount of pillars are there. The situation is quite dilapidated, but one thing that is quite noticeable is there, this structure looks much more younger this structure looks much more younger as compared to the other parts of the fort. So obviously it was built very much later into the history. Okay. The arch dome, and then this majestic walls. See, this part of this structure looks quite old, like the ancient one. I think this was the remaining part, and from there some addition has been done. So like these kind of extensions are quite new. Well, see, people, right? So this was okay. So this was Dindigul Rock Fort that I wanted to cover for you guys, so that I can travel more and I can show you each and every part of this country, of this amazing, diverse and beautiful country. That's my only dream, man. I just want to cover every single spot in India, all the diversities I want to cover. That is kind of a dream that I had. किले के अंदर एक गुप्त सुरंग भी मानी जाती है, जो युद्ध के समय राजा या सेनापति को सुरक्षित बाहर निकालने का रास्ता देती थी। इसके अलावा किले में धार्मिक महत्व भी जोड़ा गया। यहाँ पर अभिरामी अम्मन और कल्हेश्वर के मंदिर बने, जो आज भी स्थानीय लोगों के लिए आस्था का केंद्र हैं।
Man, I want to go inside. Oh man, look at this amazing pillar structure.
यानी यह किला सिर्फ युद्ध और सैनिक ठिकाना नहीं, बल्कि संस्कृति और श्रद्धा का भी प्रतीक था।
It really feels awesome from here to see the grandeur of this place and to see the whole city from a different perspective. Oh, it has been an amazing journey. Well, now it's the time to conclude it. So, let's see from where I would have to go down. I'm not sure yet, but maybe somewhere here only there was a way. Oh man, there is no way to go from here. Oh, am I stuck or what? Well, this is the way to exit, and it's quite dangerous, man. Hell of a steep is here. I'm trying to be as much cautious as possible here. Oh. Oh, that's quite awesome to come here. If the weather would have been on my side, then obviously it would have been much better, but still not complaining.
तो यहाँ पर मेरे सफ़र का इख्तिताम होता है। सो मिलते हैं किसी और सफ़र पे किसी और कहानी के साथ।